Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Zoe.
And my name is Elena.
It's a great day to be a Panther.
It's even greater that it's Friday on a 3-day weekend.
Are you interested in playing girls soccer this winter season?
If you are, the meeting is Tuesday, September 5th at 3:40 to 4 p.m. in room 5214.
The first FBLA Future Business Leaders of America will be held on Wednesday, September 6th, room 5106, right after school.
Again, that meeting is Wednesday, September 6th in room 5106, right after school.
Homecoming is just around the corner, and it is time to nominate candidates for the Homecoming Court of 2023.
Seniors, to be a nominee for Homecoming King or Queen, you must be nominated by a club, team, or organization on campus, and each group can only nominate one person, each for King and Queen. Please check in with your sponsor or coach if you're interested in running for Homecoming King or Queen.
Freshmen, sophomores, and juniors can self-nominate for Homecoming Count, Countess, Duke, Duchess, and Prince, Princess.
All homecoming candidates will need to attend one of the candidate meeting with Ms. Rock before posting any campaign materials on campus or on social media.
The candidates meetings will be held on Thursday, September 7th after school at 3:35 p.m. or Friday, September 8th during the last 10 minutes of your assigned lunch.
Candidates meeting will be held in the chorus room 2121.
Panthers, the 2023 Homecoming Dance is coming up in September. This year's Dance at Night in Wonderland will be held on Saturday, September 23rd from 6 to 10 p.m. at Heritage. The cost is $25 and tickets will be sold on campus September 13th till 22nd.
To bring a guest to homecoming that is not a Heritage student, you must complete a guest approval form before purchasing your tickets. Please note, no tickets will be sold at the door, and this event will probably sell out, so be sure that you get your tickets early.
Today's football game will be against one of our rival teams, Palm Bay High. The theme for today's game is Black Out. Please plan to attend and show your support by wearing all black. Kickoff is at 7 p.m. We really hope to see you there.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!